President William Ruto does not take alcohol. He has no factory. He has no bar. Regarding Gachagua quit alcohol 15 years ago, he has no intention of going back. He has no factory, he has no outlet, and he has no any arrangement to get one. Huyu Professor Kindiki does not even take Coca-Cola because it looks like alcohol. Jafeth Kome ni mtu ya chai. Bwana Kaja ni mtu ya chai. Sasa kama mko mambo ya pombe na bangi, you are on your own. Your leaders are not there. And this is the administration that will sort out this nonsense. With those who want to go on with us, wale ambayo wanaona hiyo kazi hawezi saidiana na sisi, we are being very kind by offering you an opportunity to proceed on terminal leave pending retirement. Wangapi wanataka terminal leave pending retirement? Inueni mkono. Kama hakuna ni sawa, it's good. Let me say I was in this uniform with the regional commissioner here for 14 years. Hii kazi mimi naelewa kidogo tu. I'm a bit rusty, I've been away for too long. Mambo ya illicit alcohol is a simple decision by the commissioner and the commander. If the two agree, it's finished. These assistant chiefs and chiefs, there is nowhere that these things are brewed that they don't know. All this bangi that is sold, the station commanders know. In many instances, 90%, they are the ones who offer them protection and safe passage. That is the truth.